What's going on YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review of the FIFINE Technology USB LAVALIER lapel microphone. Now you can get this microphone on Amazon.com and you're gonna pay $17.99. So let's open up the package. See, it's not too big. Small little package. So open it up and you get your user guide, and then you get your microphone. All right, that's what it looks like. Get a cord, get a clip, sturdy clip, microphone. All right, get rid of all this. Let me tell you a little bit about the microphone. Is that this is a plug and play device. You just plug it into your PC, laptop, or your Mac, and you're good to go. Cardioid condenser microphone. It has a built-in sound card, so it's driver free. All right, so you don't have to install any drivers because it's its own sound card. You have a 6-foot long cord, so you got a little bit of distance, a little bit of room in there. Sturdy metal clip, that right there. So you got a USB mic with a built-in headphone jack, which is right here. Standard 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and it's portable and lightweight and clear and quality sound. All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna hook this up to my laptop, and then we're gonna check this out and see how it sounds and do a little sound test on it real quick. Now you just take your Finfine USB stick, plug it in. You hear the chime. You see a light on here to light up. And I was setting up the device. So once it's set up, I'll open up Audacity, and then we'll do a sound test on it to see what it sounds like. Okay, so I'm gonna clip the microphone. I'm gonna clip the microphone onto me. That clip is sturdy, boy. I'm gonna clip it onto me real quick. There we go. Nice little distance away. And now I'm gonna show you that we're working on the FIFINE microphone. So we know what microphone we got. Okay, now we should be on the FIFINE microphone. And now we're gonna test out the audio and see what it sounds like. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and I'm testing out this FIFINE USB microphone. Now it's a plug and play device, and it's you just plug it into your laptop, PC, or Mac, and you just go ahead and let it go. So let me know if y'all like that sound or not. Now I'm gonna do a test of the FIFINE microphone. This is test number 2. All right, so we're gonna make sure that we on the FIFINE microphone, and we on it, and then we're gonna record. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review of the FIFINE microphone. So you know it's coming out of that microphone. Okay, now we're recording on the SNOWBALL microphone. So let's try this one out and see what it's like. What's going on YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review of the FIFINE microphone. So y'all know it's coming out of there. Alright, so after doing my test and putting the FIFINE microphone against the blue SNOWBALL microphone, I would have to say that I think the SNOWBALL microphone sounds better, but I don't think the FIFINE microphone is far behind. The FIFINE microphone wasn't as deep and wasn't as crisp. It did sound good, but I just feel like the Snowball microphone had more deepness to it, like more like feel to it. And I tried it with 2 different pair of headphones. I tried it with a pair of earbuds, and then I tried listening to it with a some Beats by Dre, so some over the air, just to see if the different kind of earphones made a difference. But all in all, I think the FIFINE lapel microphone is a good microphone. I would recommend it. You know what I mean? If you're in the market for one, it's cheap, it's effective, and it sounds good. For this price, you gotta go for it. A couple negatives about the FIFINE microphone, and one is that you can only use it with a PC, laptop, or Mac. So it has to have a USB port to plug into. I think this would be better even if you could use a splitter to it to plug into like my camcorder and be able to use this microphone with my camcorder. That would be dope. But I mean, that's just one of the negatives. And the positives of this microphone is that it has its own sound card built in, nice long cord, and it's a plug and play device. But let me know in the comments if you think this sounds better than the Snowball microphone, or if you think the Snowball microphone sounds better. This is Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, all you got to do is go into the description, click on every one of them links to follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.